Alright guys, so today we're going to be unboxing a USB hub headset and controller stand. I got this for Christmas. Shout out to my sister. Yeah, so let's get unboxing. But first, let's read the thing. 3.5 millimeters, whatever the heck, I'm too dumb. Type C, that's nice. USB 2.0, cool. Controller. Sorry guys, my desk is kind of messy, but hey, you know what? This will work. Let me just put this back. I don't know why. Dude, my desk is so dirty. And we got a headset holder, and we got RGB. 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 Alright, so we're gonna cut it with this knife. This is, I got this from somewhere. Yeah, I got this from somewhere. You know, let me just do this crap off. All right, so we cut tape off. Now let's take it out. Wow. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is so awkward, bro. Anyways, we're gonna take this out. Um We got it out! Alright, so first, we're gonna be checking out this. I'm pretty sure this is to... Yeah, see, look, there's like square here, and I'm pretty sure that's where this comes in. So, yeah, honestly, it looks good. Honestly, I'm really like... I like this, honestly. The design looks cool, and yeah, the design look... Alright, now time to take this out, which is, I know it's the thing. It's the thing. It's the pole. As you can see, there's a little square right there. Square, yeah. Now, if I just put this right here, this is such a bad angle, but I think it is, but, okay, but look, this is what we get, honestly. Now we just gotta add, like, the little, you know, holders, you know, but you know, this is looking good. This is looking good. Yes. Yes, yeah. All right, now we got this, which sorry about that, guys. I'm very sorry about that, but this is what we get. Okay, we do not get two. We get like 4 of them, 3. I don't know. Wait, hold on. If I drop one more, I'm gonna end this video. All right, so this. Yes, we do get 4 of them. We get 4 of them. I don't feel like anyone's gonna watch this video. And we got the instruction manual. Yeah, that's all. I'm gonna. So in order to do this, I literally just figured this out on my own. You see these corners right here, and you see these two. You gotta slide it. See, like that. You get what I mean. You get what I... As you can see, I already slided one in. You gotta put it in and slide it down. See, it's very stable. It's very stable, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, guys. So we officially... Alright, so I officially built it. Yeah, this looks nice. Now we just gotta plug it in. I should have not littered. So, I got, I put it in right here. I need to put my camera as, like, right there. You see? It works, honestly. I really needed this. This is nice. Now all we gotta do is just plug it in and, yeah. Alright, guys, it's done. Look at that. Oh, wait. Don't look. Don't. Bro, this is cringy, bro. What am I doing, dude? Alright, finally. Look at that, dude. And it also has, you can't even see anything. But seriously, though, this thing looks really good. Honestly, I had to plug it into my Xbox. Guys, I don't have a PC anymore because I may or may not just broke it. So, yeah. I might need to get a job and get some money and give me a new one. So, yeah, you know, like, yeah. But hey, look, it works. Honestly, it works. And I'm so grateful to have this. But yeah, that's I'm never gonna speak again. But yeah, as you can see, there is some USB ports right there. I'm pretty sure it said it had like USB 2 as well somewhere. I think it's in the back right here. Yep, there it is. Wait, oh my goodness. Wait, hold on. See that little you can't even see crap. All right, so you see that right there? Turn it on. So you see that? You can see it, but look, there's USB 2, no, USB 3, USB, I don't even know. Anyways, but yeah, but yeah, there's the circle. You see that? I don't even know what's it called. I forgot. Dude, no one's gonna watch this video. But anyways, guys, that's it. That's it. Honestly, this is very cool, and honestly, wait, hold on. Look at that. Look at that. I do have some, yo, that looks good. Don't ask why there's tape right there. My mic's kind of falling off. Dude, I don't even use this headset. Okay, but honestly, that's really all. I mean, it's really cool. So, yeah. Yeah. Anyways, comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You probably didn't, but yeah. But anyways, yeah, I'm in.